Brilliant families! How are you doing? I hope this video finds you well. Thank you for watching our Little Scientist episode number 5. My name is Virgilia. I am the Early Childhood Educator at Luminous Community Services. Do you see what Virgilia is holding in my hand? They are different colors of the leaves. So today we are going to begin our videos by singing a song about the colors of the leaves. Can you please join me and sing the song together with me? Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Autumn leaves are falling on the ground. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. What is it like outside during this time of the year? Do you see some of the leaves on the tree start to change their colors? That is because we are in the season of fall. Today we'll be reading a very fun and interactive book together. This book is called Tap the Magic Tree by Christie Matheson. Make sure you tap together with Virgilia as we are reading through the book together. And make sure you look carefully for all different kinds of changes that are happening on the tree. We'll also be doing a leaf chromatography science experiment to help answer the question, why do leaves change color? So, are you ready to join our story and science experiment together? Let us sing a song to help us get ready, putting on our listening ears and putting on our thinking cap. Here we go. Here are my glasses, this is my book. I put on my glasses, open up my book, and I read, and I look. I put down my glasses, whoops, close out the book.
Tap the Magic Tree by Christie Matheson. There's magic in this bare brown tree. Tap it once. Turn the page to see. Tap again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tap again even more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Rub the tree to make it warm. Touch each bud. And see what forms. Give the tree a little jiggle. That's it. Now make your fingers wiggle. Brush away the petals. Swish and blow a tree a tiny kiss. Shake the tree. Plop, plop, plop. Plop, plop, plop. Kerplop. Knock, knock on the trunk. Then stop. Pot the leaves and be gentle, please. Aha! Now blow a whooshing breeze. Clap your hands to bring the snow. Okay, be patient. Wait, don't go. Close your eyes and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Magic, it begins again. The end.
Have you ever wondered why the leaves change color? Do you know there are actually more than one color inside a green leaf or a red leaf? From our experiment today, we are going to find out how the different colorful pigments found in leaves change the color in autumn that gives trees their beautiful full colors. Do you know a leaf is a mixture of 3 different pigments? A green pigment, it's called chlorophyll. An orange-red pigment called carotene, and a yellow pigment called xanthophyll. Remember, for this science experiment, it is required to have adult supervision at all times. For this experiment, you will need rubbing alcohol, leaves in different colors, the fresh leaves that you can gather them from outside, scissor, a few clear jars, and long strips paper towel. First, we are going to break the leaves up into tiny pieces and put them into separate jars according to their colors. Remember to leave the stems out. Now we have 3 different colors of leaves being separated in different jars. Now you can use your scissor to cut the leaves and break up even more. The more is better. Carefully pour the rubbing alcohol into the jar so the leaves are covered. Next, we'll place 1 paper towel strip into each jar. You can also use a piece of tape to tape and secure the paper towel so it won't fall into the jar. You want to make sure the paper towel is in a vertical position. Alright, by observing the color that is showing on each strip of paper towel, we know that now we have successfully separated the color of pigments inside each leaf. As you can see, the first one on the right is a jar full of green leaves. But interestingly, you can still see some yellow pigment on the side. Let's look at the orange leaves. You can also find some yellow pigments in it too, and some red over here as well. The chromatography experiment has just proved that there are just so many different colors in every leaf. So, why do leaves change color? During the summer, which has more light, will produce more chlorophyll, so that the leaves appear green. But as the summer starts to turn into fall and the daylight gets shorter, less and less sunlight, and the trees start to produce less and less chlorophyll. Then the leaves become less green, and that's why we are able to see more of the other colors that were there all along. I hope you enjoy watching today's videos, and stay tuned for our new videos coming up every Friday on Early on Luminous YouTube playlist. Have a good week. Goodbye.